are pleased to show you the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, power sunroof, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated steering wheel, compass, security system, rear window defroster, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.